Hello. In this video, I am going to explain some of the properties and interrelation formulae among the regression coefficients and the coefficient of correlation and standard deviations. So here are few properties as I have listed here. The first property, the point of intersection of the regression lines is x bar comma y bar, and it can be found by solving the regression equations simultaneously. The second property is the coefficient of correlation. It is also called as Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation between the variables x and y is given by r is equal to plus or minus square root of byx multiplied by bxy, where byx and bxy are the regression coefficients and r has the same sign as that of byx and bxy. It means if both byx and bxy are positive, then r is also positive, and if both of them are negative, then r is also negative. And whenever byx and bxy are given of opposite signs, then such data is an inconsistent data. This is never possible कि byx and bxy are of opposite signs. The third interrelation formula is byx is equal to r multiplied by standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, and bxy is equal to r multiplied by standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. The fourth property is the slope of the regression line y on x is byx, and that of the regression line x on y is 1 upon bxy. The fifth property, the regression line of y on x is flatter than the regression line of x on y. So the fifth property says that the y on x line is less slant than the x on y line. Note, if I give you the linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then that equation represents a straight line and its slope is minus a upon b. So it means minus of x coefficient divided by y coefficient whenever b is not equal to 0. The regression equation of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to byx multiplied by x minus x bar. The regression equation of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy multiplied by y minus y bar. Let's come to the sum problems. This is the first problem. Use linear regression to estimate the production when demand is 100 by using the following data. So here the data given is the mean of the production is 85, the standard deviation of the production is 5, and the mean of the demand is 90 and standard deviation of the demand is 6, and the coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.6. Now we need to find now the demand is given and we need to estimate production, that is we need to estimate x, and therefore we need to find the regression equation of x on y. Now given that x bar is 85, so the mean value of production, that is x bar, you can see in the table that x bar is 85 and the mean of demand, that is y bar, is 90. Then standard deviation of x is 5, standard deviation of y is 6, and the coefficient of correlation between production and demand is given to be 0.6. So r is equal to 0.6. So we know that the formula for the regression line of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy multiplied by y minus y bar. Now bxy is nothing but, we know the formula, r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. So in this equation now, I am going to substitute all the values. So the equation becomes x minus 85 is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 5 upon 6 multiplied by y minus 90. So in this equation, I have substituted all the values as shown above. So the final equation, if you simplify this, then 0.6 divided by 6 is 0.1 and 0.1 into 5 is 0.5. And so this is the regression equation of x on y, in which now I will substitute the value of y is equal to 100. Demand is given here 100. So if you substitute that value y is equal to 100, then you will get 100 minus 90 is 10. 10 into 0.5 is 5. So x minus 85 is 5, and that gives you x is equal to 90. So here this completes the first problem. Now let's come to the next problem. So in the next problem, regression equations of two series are 2x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0, and the other equation is 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. The question is, find x bar, y bar and regression coefficients. Also find the coefficient of correlation. Now we know that the point of intersection of regression lines is x bar comma y bar, and we know that the point of intersection can be found by solving the equation simultaneously. So I am going to solve the two equations simultaneously. So here it is given, the first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 15, this is, and the second equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 25. So this is the second equation. Now in order to make the coefficient same, I am multiplying this equation by 4. So this will become 4y, and then I am taking the subtraction, I am subtracting the second equation from the first equation. So 4 into 2x, that is 8x minus 3x is 5x. Here 4 into minus 5 is minus 4y minus 4y, so that they will cancel each other. And here 4 into 15 is 60. 60 minus 25, and that will give me 85. That is 60 plus 25 is equal to 85. So 5x is equal to 85 gives me x value is equal to 15, and this x is equal to 15 I will substitute in the equation number 1, that is this. So 15 into 2 is 30 minus y is equal to 15, and therefore this gives me y value is equal to 15. Now we know that the point of intersection is nothing but the x bar comma y bar, and it can be found by solving the equation simultaneously. So we have solved the equations and we got x is equal to 15 and y is equal to also 15. I'm sorry, here I am getting 5x is equal to 85, so x is equal to 17. So then I have to substitute that 17 here. So 17 into 2x, that is 17 into 2 is 34. I'm sorry, let me correct. So 34 minus y is equal to 15, and that gives me y is equal to 19. Y is equal to 19, and therefore the point of intersection is, the x value is 17 and y value is 19. Yes, sorry, the ink, y is 19. So minor correction here, I will correct. X value, y value is 19, and here also the y value is 19, and I will get here the point of intersection x bar is equal to 17 and y bar is equal to 19. Now slope of the first line, that is 2x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0. We know that slope is minus of x coefficient. So here x coefficient is 2. So minus of x coefficient, that is minus of 2 divided by the y coefficient. Y coefficient here is minus 1. So minus 2 upon minus 1. So that comes 2. Similarly, the second equation is this. Here the slope is minus of x coefficient, that is minus of 3 divided by y coefficient. Y coefficient is minus 4. So I will get minus 3 upon minus 4. So the slope is 3 upon 4. So now if we compare these two slopes, then we know that the y on x line is flatter, and therefore the smaller slope should be related with the y on x line, and therefore the slope of y on x line is byx. So byx is 3 by 4, and the larger slope is nothing but bxy is nothing but 1 upon the larger slope, that is 1 upon 2. Now we know that the coefficient of correlation r is plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. So if you take the multiplication of these two, so both of them are positive, so I will eliminate the minus sign, so only plus sign will remain. There the product of these two is 3 by 8, that comes 0.375, and which value is nothing but 0.61 approximately. Now let's come to the next problem. So the next problem is, if two regression equations of y on x is given as 4y is equal to 3x plus 25, and the regression equation of x on y here is given to be 2x is equal to y plus 15, then find all these terms x bar, y bar, byx, bxy and r. So the given regression equations can be written now as similar to the previous problem. If I want to find out the point of intersection of these two lines, I have to solve them simultaneously. So if you solve them simultaneously, actually they are the similar one. The equations are, that equations will give you 17, 19. You just have to solve the equation simultaneously as shown in the previous problem. So the point of intersection is 17, 19, and the point of intersection is x bar, y bar. Therefore x bar is 17 and y bar is 19. Now byx is nothing but the slope of y on x line. Now y on x line is known to us, that is 4y plus 3x plus 25. So I am rewriting this line, and that is 3x minus 4y. So this 4y I am taking on the other side. So I will get 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. And slope of the line is minus of x coefficient. So minus 3 upon y coefficient is minus 4 here. That gives me 3 by 4. Now bxy is nothing but 1 upon slope of x on y line. So x on y line here again I am rewriting. This y I will take it on the other side, and 15 I am taking it on the other side. So I will get 2x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the line here. This is the line, sorry. So slope of 2x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0, but the slope is nothing but minus of x coefficient, that is minus of 2 divided by the y coefficient. Y coefficient here is minus 1. So I will get minus 2 by minus 1. So this minus 2 by minus 1 is again 2. So again I know that byx into bxy is r, product of these two, square root of that is r. So both of them are positive, so I am eliminating the negative sign here. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2, again that will come as 0.375, and which is same as 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is same as 0.375, and square root of that is 0.61. Thank you.